Hey everyone, today we have a Simpson washing machine and it's a top loader. It has a bowl, that's where the clothes been. This is the dials, how to turn it on, all the buttons. And see, it's a Simpson. And we have a Simpson 4 kilogram dryer by Simpson. Let's look inside. In there we have a filter where you can enter the lint. And here we have the bulb, where the clothes tumble. That's the inside of it, and that's the outside, and that's where the air comes out of. And this is the dials. If you want fully dry, half dry or full dry. And this is a dial where if you want to dry out on 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes or 150 minutes where you want your clothes to dry, and there's off. So that's it. Please like my video.